So from this website, I will go to GMK Keycaps. Okay. And then I will look for what the recent one that people are mentioning. Like for example, I think the recent one people were mentioning mostly like notice. So you will see, okay, how much were sold. Like usually keycaps with more than 1,000 sold were pretty popular, and vendor will definitely stock up on the extra site. So you will see how it looks, and you can also click the link on original group buy. And for original group buy, you can get an idea of what that keycaps is designed for. And you can have the render. Okay, this website is really slow. Anyway, you will be able to get idea of the keycap set itself, and knowing people were getting them, and maybe there will be extra soon. And also like knowing people getting them is seeing like how many GMK were sold by people on the mechmarket. Like this one also very popular recently. So that means the recent sets around that time were just like getting out recently. Like, okay, I get the Taro, I get the Godspeed, and you basically can check out the recent ones. Botanical is also a very popular. You can see it's sold for 2,000, and it's a jungle bamboo succulents. Like it's a botanical theme. Actually, this will be a good set on polycarbonate keyboard, even it's a like dark one. Yeah, so actually like around this one, like from burgundy, yeah, it didn't get extra yet. Moondust, dark, I know there will be dark for the extra soon. Yeah, this one. This is really dark. And I think the dark, the key company will have the extra soon-ish. I don't really remember what their Discord saying. The key company release calendar. So GMK Dark limited quantity February 23rd. So this is a keycap set will be having extra soon. So yeah, like look for actually like Olivier, Orsar, they're already running extra. So dark haven't been, darling already, fun things haven't been, modern dot light haven't been finished, Godspeed already been done, Taro already been done, Botanic not yet, Kaiju still on drop. Yeah, so basically look at whatever people are selling recently and see if they will have extra soon and try to get them if you like them. That's like my suggestion.